Hi everyone, it's Jazz. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. Today I have a cute nail design for you all. I'm going to start by applying these stiletto tips that I purchased through Amazon. It's been a while since I've sported an almond shaped nail, so this is what I'm going for here. To get the shape that I want, I'm just gonna go in with a pair of scissors and get those tips cut diagonally to get that shape going. I find it's easier to shape this way rather than just going in with my drill or with a normal file. Now that I have the shape that I want, I'm just gonna go in and do my normal prep. Now that I'm done with my prep, I am going to go in with my Young Nails file to get the nail shaped as much as I can and reduce the amount of work and time that I would have to spend once I'm done applying the acrylic. Now that I'm done filing, I'm just going to go ahead and get my fingernails ready for the acrylic application. To remove any lingering debris, I'm using the Young Nails swipe solution and I'm applying protein bond to ensure that the acrylic adheres properly to my nails. Because I want a subtle pink base, I'm going to go ahead and use the Cover Pink Acrylic by Young Nails. I really like the consistency and the color of this acrylic. It's the perfect natural pink. Also, disclaimer, I am not a nail tech, I'm just simply a girl that likes doing nails. Additionally, you'll notice that many of the products that I use in my videos are from Young Nails. This is because I like what I like. If I try something that works for me, I tend to stick to using that product because I know that it works. Now that I'm done with the acrylic application, I'm moving on to shaping. I'm using my Young Nails crosscut diamond bit to shave off a lot of the acrylic. Once I'm done shaping with my e-file, I'm just going to go back in with the same Young Nails file to smooth everything out. Now that I'm done filing, I'm going to go in and get that cuticle cleaned up. This step is a must for me. This is what really elevates my nail looks and what gives the appearance of them being done by a professional. Once again, I'm going in with the Young Nail Soap Solution to get everything cleaned up and debris free. To remove scratches from the surface of my nails, I will be applying Protein Bond. This will also ensure that my gel polish adheres nicely to the nails. For today's nail design, I'm gonna go ahead and use these gel polishes by Gaoi. I think that's how it's pronounced. I purchased this nice little set through Amazon, and I must say that I'm very impressed with the consistency, especially for the price. These are very, very affordable. I highly recommend them. For my nail design, I'm going for a dripping paint look. I'm not following a particular pattern. I'm just kind of outlining my nail and just going with the flow of things. I do want it to look as realistic as possible. I want it to look like, literally, like I have paint dropping from my nail. For this nail, I actually used a different technique. I started by drawing 3 lines and just following the outline from there. This was way easier than what I had started doing with my first nail. Next, I'm going in with this glitter gel polish by the same brand. It came in the same kit that I purchased. And I'm gonna go ahead and outline the entire nail and then also fill in the color with it as well, just to give it a little bit of bedazzle. I want the glitter to be scattered. I don't want it to be too harsh, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep applying this with my detailing brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process with my middle and pinky fingers. For the remaining 2 fingers, I am using a different color of glitter. This is more like a silver color. The one that I used previously was a bit more pink. I was inspired to do this design by a photo that I saw on Amazon when I purchased these heart embellishments. I thought that this would look very cute with this nail design, since the hearts are pastel colors. I actually did a similar paint drop nail design about a year ago with the same nail polishes, but I went ahead and used black and yellow, and pretty much each nail was a different color, and I just absolutely loved it. So when I saw these hearts, I thought, ooh, I think this is going to look very, very cute, and I really liked it. So I think it did look very cute. seal in my design, I'm going in with my Young Nail Stain Resistant Gel Top Coat. Last, I'm going in with this eucalyptus cuticle oil that I purchased through Sally Beauty Supply. And here's the final result. I absolutely adored this set. I hope you liked it too. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye!